Hi class. In this tutorial we're going to talk about group tools. So when you enter our course you'll see the announcements page and then you'll see the student menu here, and underneath the menu you'll see my groups. For this video I've added demo student to its own group, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on each of these so you can see what they do. If I click this arrow down, these are the tools that I have available to me. If I click this double arrow, this gets me to my group. You can also go through Teams to access your group as well, so whichever way you prefer. Okay, so this is my group here. You'll see your group members. You can email your group members from this action link. Right now I'm the only member of my group. These are our tools. You've got File Exchange, and if I click on File Exchange I can load a file here. I can also delete a file as well. So if I clicked Add File, I would be able to upload a file from my computer. So I'm going to click Browse My Computer and find the file. I have one here for us. And click Open if you're on a PC, and then click Submit. This will share the file with everybody in your group. Okay, there it is. So that's one tool. This up here, this is called the breadcrumb trail, and so if I don't want to click the back button, I could go ahead and go into my group by clicking on the link at the top. I can also access the group discussion board. In your groups you will have your TRATs and also your application discussions. For this one I'm going to show you how to create your own forum and create your own thread. So you can create a forum, which is like creating a conversation. Click the Create Forum button and then give it a name. So let's say that I'm talking about my topic that I might want to discuss. I also have some options here. I can use text or highlight text. I can change the color. I can add an attachment or an image. These tools you can play around with to see if you'd like to use them. So I've got my body of the message here, and I'm going to click Submit. Okay, so my forum shows up right here. So I'm entering into the conversation now that has been started. And you'll see that the first screen, there isn't anything to do. You have to create a thread first. So I'm going to click Create Thread. And creating a thread is like having a person talk with a sentence or two or a paragraph. You're starting the conversation. Actually, let's save that for the body. Okay, so I've got a message to my group members. I could attach a file here if I wanted to. Instead, I'm going to submit. If you click Save Draft, that's not the most current answer or part of the conversation. So for this class, we'd like you to click Submit instead. That way, the conversation doesn't change on the people who have already viewed your sentence or two. All right, let's reply to this thread. So we've created a thread and we created a forum. Now you're going to reply to the thread by clicking into the thread itself. By clicking this link, you can click Reply and respond to the person who posted. And then I'm going to click Submit. Great, there I have it. Okay. Those are the group tools, and you can get back to your group.